In this lesson, we are reviewing problems involving rate and ratio. Stephen is going to make a scale model of the CN Tower. The original CN Tower is 553 meters high, and the base is 67 meters across. He has decided to make his model 55.3 centimeters high. He wants to know how many centimeters wide the base should be. He needs to keep the proportion to make it look realistic. I know the ratio of the height of the CN Tower to its base. This is the ratio here. How high it is to its base, which is 553 meters to 67 meters. The model is 55.3. So I can use the same ratio. The height of the tower to the base. I know that the height is 55.3 centimeters. What I want to know is the base. So I'm going to compare them in a ratio or fraction form. What am I doing to go from 553 to 55.3? I'm dividing by 10, or I'm moving the decimal place over. So I'm going to do the same thing. Divide by 10, or move the decimal place over, it becomes 6.7. So the base of the model should be 6.7 centimeters across. Here is another example. Sophia earns $5 an hour while babysitting. How much will she earn if she babysits for 10 hours? If her rate is $5 a half hour, I can show that. Dollars, hours. $5, 1 hour. I'm going to use the same ratio to find out what she needs for 10 hours. So I would put $5 for 1 hour compared to 10 hours. What am I doing to go from 1 to 10? I'm multiplying by 10. So I will multiply by 10 here, and I get $50. I know that the scale factor is 10. Remember, the scale factor is the number that you're multiplying the numerator and the denominator by. So it's $50 in 10 hours. If I divide 50 by 10, I get $5. So that way I know my answer is reasonable. As a rate, I would print it $50 for 10 hours. Let's do a couple questions together. Marlene ran 4 kilometers in 30 minutes. At this rate, can Marlene run 15 kilometers in 120 minutes? Let's find out. The information we are given, 4 kilometers in 30 minutes. Remember, 30 minutes is half an hour. I know that Marlene can run 4 kilometers in 30 minutes. So I'm going to write the ratio. I'm going to have kilometers up here, and I'm going to have minutes down here. And I'm going to fill in the blanks. 4 and 30. I want to know what she can run in 120 minutes. So I'll put my minutes down here to keep it equivalent. What goes up here? The scale factor, 30 times 4 will give me 120. So I need to multiply by 4. My scale factor is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. The question asks, can Marlene run 15 kilometers in 120 minutes? To help solve this, we can create a ratio table. This will be kilometers, this will be minutes. 4 kilometers, 30 minutes. In 60 minutes, it would be 8 kilometers. If I multiply by 2 again, I will have 120 minutes and 16 kilometers. So by the time she gets to 120 minutes, she would have already run 16 kilometers. She would have already run 15 kilometers. So yes, Marlene can run 15 kilometers in 20 minutes. You have 2 questions to work on by yourself. I'll get you started. A photocopier can make 1,800 copies in 1 hour. Here is our rate. Rosa says that the copier can make 60 copies per minute. Find the missing values. Remember, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And for question number 9. In the bulk store, the price of peanuts is $1.44 per 100 grams. When you write the rate, you should have your dollars slash and then how many grams. And the same for your grocery store, dollar slash grams. You need to compare. So the hint will be try and make this number into 100 grams and find out how much the cost is.